Welcome everybody to another 360 adventure. This time, we're at Disney World's Winter Summerland Mini Golf. And now for some family rules. The winner of each hole gets 1 point. No points are given if the hole is tied. The person with the most points wins. Plus, we have a couple other rules, but we won't get into that. As of now, here is the score. Now let's get into it.
You're gonna do it again! Not this time.
Come on back.
And then they take one to the back of the next one. They're the first one.
Wait.
Oh, yeah! The big two. Can he tie it up? Oh. Come on back. No. I agree. Going for the big two. Going for the big two.
Go in.
Oh. Mine, you can tap yours in for two if you want. I'm tied.
How about last one to get it in?
There we go.
Last one to get it in.